Welcome to our roundup of the best camping chairs for your next outdoor adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach, setting up by a campfire, or relaxing at a scenic viewpoint, the right chair makes all the difference. We've picked out the top camping chairs that combine comfort, portability, and durability for every type of camper. We'll go over each model's key features like build quality, weight capacity, portability, and comfort level to help you choose the perfect one for your outdoor setup. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Now, let's dive in and find your ideal camping chair. The first on the list is the Tarka 2 PCS foldable camping chairs. Designed for both casual and seasoned campers, this set offers the perfect mix of convenience and reliability. Each chair features a durable steel frame, capable of supporting up to 330 pounds, ensuring long-lasting use even on uneven terrain. The seats are made from 600D Oxford fabric, which is not only tear-resistant, but also easy to clean after a long day outdoors. Setting up these chairs takes seconds, thanks to the smart foldable design that allows you to pack or unpack them effortlessly. Portability is another key highlight. The included carry bag makes transportation simple, while their lightweight build ensures you can easily bring them along for picnics, fishing, or tailgating. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomic backrest supports proper posture, allowing for hours of relaxed sitting without fatigue. Overall, these chairs are an ideal pick for those seeking a durable, easy-to-carry seating solution that delivers consistent comfort in any outdoor setting. Next up is the Oxford Cloth Outdoor Portable Camping Chair. This chair stands out for its ultra-sturdy build and exceptional portability. The Oxford cloth material is both water-resistant and breathable, ensuring comfort even in hot or damp conditions. It's supported by a reinforced aluminum alloy frame that offers impressive stability without adding much weight. Weighing under 7 pounds, it folds down quickly and fits easily into its compact carry bag, making it perfect for camping, backpacking, or beach trips. The seat height is well balanced, allowing you to sit comfortably while staying close to nature. A built-in mesh storage pocket on the side gives you space to keep small essentials like your phone or keys. Its anti-slip foot pads enhance stability, even on sandy or grassy surfaces, ensuring you stay grounded while you relax. Overall, the Oxford cloth chair is a great choice for campers who value lightweight portability, breathable comfort, and reliable support during outdoor adventures. Next, we have the Square Structure Camping Folding Chair. As the name suggests, this model focuses on strength, balance, and comfort through its innovative square frame design. Unlike traditional folding chairs, this one uses a four-cornered structure to distribute weight evenly, preventing wobbling on uneven ground. Made from premium Oxford fabric, the seat provides both durability and softness, giving you the perfect mix of support and comfort. The chair's steel tubing frame offers solid stability and can handle heavier loads with ease. Despite its strength, it folds compactly for simple storage and transport, ideal for those who travel light. The armrests are padded for added comfort, and the overall structure is designed to maintain posture even during long sitting sessions. Overall, the Square Structure chair is a practical, sturdy, and comfortable option for those who want reliable seating that lasts season after season. Next up is the Westune Portable Folding Camping Chair. This chair perfectly blends luxury comfort, heavy-duty support, and portability, making it a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts. It features a thickened Oxford fabric seat supported by a high-tensile steel frame that can hold up to 350 pounds, ensuring both durability and comfort for extended sitting. The ergonomic backrest and padded armrests enhance relaxation, whether you're around a campfire or enjoying a sunset view. The chair's compact folding system allows you to set it up or pack it away in seconds, and the included carrying case makes transportation simple. For added convenience, it comes with a built-in cup holder and a side storage pocket, perfect for keeping your drink and essentials close by. Overall, the Westune chair delivers a premium outdoor seating experience, ideal for those who prioritize both comfort and functionality on every trip. The last one on our list is the Tinsel Outdoor Camping Foldable Chair. Built for adventure lovers, this chair excels in lightweight design, quick setup, and high comfort. Its robust aluminum frame and wear-resistant Oxford fabric ensure lasting performance, even after repeated folding and unfolding. The chair weighs under 6 pounds, making it one of the most portable models in its category. Despite its minimal weight, it supports up to 300 pounds and remains remarkably stable on different surfaces, from grass to rocky terrain. The breathable mesh panels on the sides enhance airflow, preventing heat buildup during long sitting sessions. Setup is quick and intuitive. The frame snaps securely into place within seconds, so you can relax faster after a long hike. Overall, the Tinsel chair strikes the right balance between portability, comfort, and durability, making it a top pick for those who need a reliable travel companion for outdoor relaxation. So, that's it for our list of the best camping chairs available right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.